Hello guys, it's your favorite St.James here with another video. As you read from the title, you will know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so today guys, I'm going to be taking y'all on my travel journey. It's going to be my birthday in a few days, so I'm taking a little trip. So I'm just going to record what I can to give you guys some content. I hope you enjoy.
I've been missing my baby so much.
I checked in already. I came here super early to get stuff out of the way so I could repack if I have to, change stuff if I have to, and do all that good stuff. So sorry, I did not get to show you guys when I was getting ready because I got up super early. I was doing some stuff as well. So the update is I'm already checked in. I have my boarding pass and stuff. So yeah, I am going to head to my gate soon. I'm early, so it's not yet time for boarding. I have like 2 more hours before boarding time. So I'm going to chill with my mom for a bit, and then when I'm going to security and stuff, if I can record, I do some recording for you guys as well. But yeah. Okay, so guys, I really tried my best to record going through security ports. I have a lot of stuff. It's really not working out, but you guys do see that I'm honestly trying my best to record for y'all. So yeah, I am through security right now. Yes, I twist my hair because it was getting so dry and I didn't want it to like start knotting. So yeah, I am going to make my way now to the gate. Should I get something to eat? What time is it? 9:54. Boarding is at 2. Asa lang natin ko kung show security? No, what's up? So, to my gate I go. I can probably get a Starbucks drink. But, yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you. Okay, also update. I'm good. I'm off the plane. I'm just waiting to go to customs and whatnot. So, okay, so guys, I am in security, walking through the terminal. I have my stuff on me, guys, so I'm trying my best here. Please do like the video because I'm struggling to record and I'm doing this for you, boo. So like the video, please. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe.
Thank you for visiting. We are approaching the main terminal and airport area hotel. Please follow the signs for rental cars, baggage claim, and ground transportation. For arriving passengers who have carry-on luggage only, you now head to the Blue Express curbsides for faster pickup. Head toward long-term parking, then follow the signs down to the express curbsides to leave your ride.
Hey, listen to me and listen good. I need to use the restroom. Okay, y'all. I'm outside waiting for my ride. I am just giving you guys an update. Yeah. Outside waiting for my ride.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real